Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video is going to be an unboxing and test review on this JJRC H36F 3-in-1 RC vehicle. This is a ground vehicle, drone and a boat. So I'm going to do an unboxing and then we'll give us a nice closer look at the actual vehicle itself, and then we're going to actually do some testing. So stay tuned and find out exactly what I think of this little RC model. Okay, so let's get this little thing out of the box, have a quick look at it, and then we will do some testing. So what I will say, guys, straight away, I'm not at my house, I'm somewhere else, so video is going to look a little bit different, but nevertheless this should be a cool little video. So straight away you're going to see you've got a USB charger and 4 spare props. You've got your instruction manual basically telling you everything you need to know. I don't need to go over that, it's going to be pretty basic and simple. So let's go and get this out. It's pretty small. Okay, so let's take it out. Well, as you can see, it's nice and small. If I quickly get tape measure and show you the exact size. So in boat form, it's just over 5¼ inches, which is pretty tiny. And the drone itself is just over 3 inches. So as you can see, it's a tiny little drone. Quickly show you the transmitter first. I must admit, I'm not a big fan on these tiny transmitters. I've got reasonably small hands, but this thing is obviously tiny, but for kids, perfect size, and even for me and other adults, it is a usable size. But I'll quickly go over some of the features the transmitter has. So you've got a speed button here, a trick button so you can do flips and stuff like that. You've got headless mode button, you've got an on off button, and then you've got your trims. Then you've just basically got your input controls. That is basically it for this transmitter. If I open it up there, you can see it runs on 2 AA batteries, and there is my spare battery. So I bought the 2 battery version, which I think was £16 delivered for this whole thing, which is a bargain. Now at the end of the day, guys, this little model is pretty gimmicky. Don't expect it to be an awesome boat or an awesome ground vehicle. The drone itself though is pretty cool, and it performs pretty good as well. As you can see here, this is a JJRC H36F. Now it is a very small drone, but because it has these ducted fan type props and surrounding, this thing has quite a lot of thrust. It's quite a powerful little drone, but one good thing about these little guards here, you're not going to damage anything if you do, or your kid bumps into anything. So what I quickly do, I'll flip it over. That's where you put your battery, just like so. It has a single cell 3.7 volts 200 mAh LiPo battery that just literally slides in, and then you connect it and plug it in and you're ready to go. I am pretty sure once you plug the battery in, it powers up. There's no on off switch. So to actually put it into its boat and ground vehicle form, you just literally pull the back outwards a little bit and then pull it up. That allows you to bend the drone in half. Then you just literally sit it into place just like so. There's no clip, but that is a tight fit, and as you can see underneath, the electrics are then sealed. But bear in mind, guys, you will get water residue underneath if there's too much splashing and stuff like that. But yeah, very basic but pretty cool. What I will do, I will cut the video, I'll charge the batteries up, and then we'll do a little bit of testing and see how much fun I have with this little thing. And like I say, then I will tell you whether I recommend it for yourself or for a little kid or something like that. So let's cut the video and I will go do some testing and show you guys. but as you can see, it does work. Very stable little quadcopter. See if we can do a trick. There we go, little trick there. Oh, and we went down. Like I say, it's a bit windy today for it, but thought I'd give it a little go, see how well it does. Okay, so let's give it a quick indoor test flight as it's a little bit windy outside. So let's take it up. I'm going to put it into speed mode 1 and then let's take it up. Very stable. Like, it doesn't have altitude hold, but because obviously you can keep the transmitter stick in one place, obviously it can hover really stable. That's how much it will your left and right and forwards and backwards. So in slow mode, pretty slow, nice little speed here, as you can see, very stable. Okay then, so as you saw from this video, the drone actually performed pretty well. In drone form, it actually handles really nice. It's super stable inside, good speed, good power while there's no wind. In boat form, it was okay, don't get me wrong, it's not going to beat any speed records or anything like that, but for a little gimmick bit of fun, it actually performed reasonably well on that pond. In vehicle mode though, trying to drive this on the ground, I'm not a fan, to be honest. It just doesn't perform or feel like a vehicle should, and you're only going to be able to use it really on laminate or hardwood floor. You're not going to be able to take it outside and use it on the concrete or anything like that. It just will not move. It's not got the power. But in boat form, it works, and it works reasonably well. It's not fast, but it's quite maneuverable and it is a little bit of fun. But in drone format, it actually performs really well inside. Outside though, you're going to only really want to fly it on a very calm day, no wind whatsoever really, because it just doesn't have the power or the angle, the pitching angle to fight through the wind. Battery life, you're going to get around 6 minutes flight time, but like I say, if you pick up the 2 battery version, that's going to give you like 12 to 15 minutes flight time, and they only take about 25 minutes to charge, so you can have a few just charge it up as you go, and then you can take it out again. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I will leave a link in the description below to this drone, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to one of my favorite micro drones, and that is the Hubsan 107 series. Now I highly recommend them. I've got a few of them and they just perform awesome indoors and outside, even in wind. So I'm going to leave a link in the description to a few other drones that I highly recommend. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, but more importantly, happy RCing and take care. Bye bye.